How to download or install the Jumpforce Mugen V3 on your PC or on your laptop device. For this, you simply have to search download Jumpforce Mugen V13 on your PC and you will see this website that is 4FNet. And in this website, you simply have to search for this game that is Jumpforce. You can read about all the details about this game here on the bio menu and keep scrolling down to the very bottom of this website. Let me just do that, and here you will find a link that is direct download link for your game. You simply have to click it. Let me just click that. Or if you're facing any issues while downloading, you can simply uh, report the issue from this menu. Now we will get back to the Jumpforce Morgan website on the Curse Forge website here. This is a second website from where you can download it. So click it, and here you can see on the below option there is an option to click here to continue the download. This is the website, and from this you can simply click on the download option and install it to your PC without having any issues. This is how you can do it.